All right, so welcome. So on Google, you can sign into your LAUSD email, like right over here, which means you have access to Google Slides, Google Forms, Google Sites, Google Docs, everything Google you have access to. So you can go to sites.google, forms.google, slides.google. So first things first, I made my Bitmoji classrooms. I made two separate ones. I made a virtual library and I made a calm room, right? So keep those in mind. Then I went to Google Forms, and Google Forms has like these little templates that you can use, right? I think I used an order form. It's not done yet though. So I made like a little referral form and you can edit it. You just have to like click on it and it gives you like these options like drop down, multiple choice, and things like that. To get the link for this form, right over here, you click send, right up there. You click send and see this little link button. This has the link to it. So keep that in mind as well. Then we go on to Google Sites. Google Sites also has templates. I picked the class one. So if you go onto my Google site, you can pretty much edit anything on there. It's really, really easy. See like this picture background in the back. You can change your image. You can click this over here. You can add like text boxes and things like that. It already comes with like pre-cut, you know, like headers and footers and things like that. You can delete them if you want. So I only kept what was important to me, but I only have two pages here, home and contact. I think the original template came with 3, but if you want to change your pages, you could just go to pages over here. If you double click, you can rename your page. And if you don't want a page at all, you can just delete it. So I deleted it. I made it 2 pages and I changed contact to, I changed schedule to say contact. So I put contact over here, office hours and whatnot. These I'm going to link so that they're like Zoom links and my email and all this stuff. So if you go to home, over here, there is a thing that says insert. So if you go to your insert, you can click on your drive, and via my drive, I have access to my calm room. I think I have access to my virtual library. So all I have to do is click it. And then on the bottom here, I click insert, and then it'll drop it down into the website. And then when it drops down, because it's only one slide, I just auto start. I double click, and then I auto start, loop playback, and then starting slide 1. I did the same thing for my calm room. And then I went under here to resources. See how all of these are underlined? So when you, like, let's say if I were to write something, right? If I were to write referral form, I would highlight this and I would click this little hyperlink like that. And it gives me an option to put a link. So I can go back to remember where my Google form was? And I can go back to where the Google form link was, like right over here where the send is. And I can click that little link and I can highlight it and I can put it where that's supposed to go. And then I'll click apply. And then that way, when someone clicks on that, it'll take them straight to my Google form. And then that way it can get, that way they can reach me like that. So same thing over here. Like I went ahead on preview. If they click immigration, it takes them straight to like immigration resources and things like that. Or if for like teachers, I think I have like social emotional learning ideas, it takes them straight to a website. So really, really easy. You can have everything you need all in one website. It's really amazing.